Thanks for watching Travel with John Spade. Here's my tour of a balcony cabin aboard the Carnival Horizon. As I first entered this cabin, I felt that it was very bright and had a cozy feel. The main desk offers a good amount of usable space and has a very convenient shelving system. This desk is equipped with 2 American outlets, 2 USB ports, and 1 European outlet. If you would like to charge your devices at night while laying in bed, be sure to bring a Carnival approved extension cord. Directly below the main desk, you have a fully operational refrigerator. The couches in your cabin can be converted to a pull-out bed if necessary. Directly across from the main bed, you have a 42-inch LCD TV. During my sailing, the bed was very plush and comfortable, which provided a great night's rest. The balconies in these cabins are pretty standardly equipped with 2 chairs and a table. If you love staying in a balcony cabin, go ahead and hit the thumbs up button and then subscribe to my channel for more videos on the horizon coming soon, such as a full ship tour, an alchemy bar review, and my visit to Riu Palace Aruba while at port. The main closet has space for hanging full-length items alongside a full-length mirror. On the other side, you will find an electronic safe and multiple storage spaces. The bathrooms on the Horizon have a nice amount of standing and surface space. Every cabin will have dispensers of shower gel and shampoo. A convenient alternative to using the provided bar soap is to bring a pump hand soap. This was 89 cents at my local Target. The balcony cabins on the Carnival Horizon provide a comfortable sailing experience and gives passengers the chance to catch some fresh air while cruising and capture some great views, such as this one. Thanks for watching.